Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are looking at how to quickly create custom line paper in Microsoft Word. Let's get right into it. First, open your Microsoft Word document. Navigate to the Insert tab at the top of your screen, click on Table, and select Insert Table. In the menu that appears, set the number of columns to 1. For the rows, 30 is a great starting point for a standard page, but you can adjust this number depending on your needs. Click OK to place the table. If you find you need more lines later, simply highlight the table, right-click, choose Insert, and select Insert Row below. To adjust the line spacing, highlight the entire table, head over to the Table Layout tab, and tweak the height settings. You can increase or decrease the height until the spacing looks perfect for your project. Next, we need to remove the side borders so it looks like authentic lined paper. Select the entire table again, right-click, and choose Table Properties. Go to the Borders and Shading menu. In the preview box, click on the left border and the right border icons to remove them. This will leave only the horizontal lines visible. Click OK and then hit OK one more time to apply the changes. And there you have it, perfectly lined paper, built right inside Word, ready to print or use digitally. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward software tutorials. Thanks for watching.